Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Marissa Hill here. I am going to be showing you the 380 Mist today. Hope that your quarantine is going well, and once again, happy to give you more content to view while you could possibly be bored at home, like many are. Let's take a look at the new Mist, shall we? Alrighty. So if you've seen my first video, this is not my first pair of 380s. My first pair were the Aliens. Those actually were a hit, it looked like, in sales. The Mist, unfortunately, I don't really know how I feel about these.
What's wrong?
It's not you, it's me.
These are definitely not my favorite colorway. Once again, it still is going with that kind of theme of the alien look, where it looks like this part has kind of been melted down and deteriorated on the side. Yeah, so I don't know about this like peachy pink kind of looking color. Definitely is going to be a bit harder match. Looks like this is like gray with kind of a blue tone to it all over the mesh part. But the strip here, I don't know, I don't know that I'm the biggest fan of this color. Peach is kind of a color that definitely gets dirty pretty easily. So I feel like the stripe is gonna catch like different dirt pieces on it, maybe be hard to get off because of the material. This is a bit rougher material here. It's almost kind of like a plastic feel to it, but it definitely looks like it's meant to give a lot more breathability in the shoe. Let's take a look here. We've got some nice brown tracking on the bottom here. Nice neutral color with kind of a see-through part here where you can see into the mesh. This part will probably definitely easily get dirty as well. The one thing that I don't like sometimes with this color is that it can kind of get a yellowish tone to it, so you have to deoxidize it after that happens. So with time, no matter what you do, you're going to get kind of a yellow aging tone when it has this cream colorway on the bottom, especially with this material. And deoxidization is much needed because who wants to have a nasty looking bottom to their shoe, right? And let's take a look here, smell. All right, pretty fresh. Looks like it's got a white insole there. The one thing I mentioned last time with the 380s is it looks like they put in a lot of packing in the back here. Cushion, not packing, sorry. Cushioning in the back here. It's got 3 panels. So definitely comfortable for the back of your foot, but when I wore the Aliens, I remember they weren't the comfiest out of all the Yeezy shoes that I currently own. So I was tracking these shoes on StockX, and just like if any movie were to launch right now, it would tank. These shoes literally tanked. They are actually online for a lower price point than what I paid for them.
Case number 26. No deal!
So you can actually get these for quite a bargain right now if, you know, this may be your first pair of Yeezys that you are in store for.
Yo, answer this question. Are you a virgin? Are you a virgin?
Yeah, not since I was 10.
It all makes sense.
These are really easy to get right now, and you're gonna pay pretty much nothing for them. So overall, I don't know. I have to agree with the sales on these. These are just, nah, they're all right. So for me, I don't know how you feel, but I think the Mist are a pass.
No, hard pass. Hard pass.
But leave a message in my comment and tell me what you think. Till next time, guys.
Never knowing my right foot from my left, my hat from my glove. I'm too